Let's step through the process of a claim from beginning to end. To simplify things, let's focus on the example of a car accident. But the claims process is fairly universal across all types of insurance. First, when a car accident happens, you notify your insurance company, often by calling them directly, using their mobile app, or contacting your insurance agent. Either way, the insurer gets notice. This is called intake, or also first notice of loss, or FNOL. They'll ask for some information, who you are, what happened, maybe a photo or video. This is just the beginning of data collection, however. Notice that we didn't say claim yet. Until there's a demand made for some sort of compensation, there's no claim. For example, in the car accident, after notifying your insurer, you may decide that the damages are small enough that you'll cover them yourself. If there's no demands or requests, the notification will stay as a recorded incident and not materialize into a claim. After intake, the process moves to adjusting, which includes investigating the claim, for example, understanding and gathering evidence, determining what's covered by the plan, and then delivering the appropriate remedies, often cash and/or other services, to make the person whole again. However, the actual work and expertise involved over these three steps will vary based on the kind of loss and type of claim involved. For physical damage claims, like with our car accident, this can mean working with an appraiser to evaluate the extent of the damage, working with a body shop to repair the car, providing you a rental car in the interim, and ultimately getting you back on the road in your car in pre-accident condition. Or in some cases, it may mean paying you out the pre-crash value of the car. For a medical claim, it could be paying for medical bills that are accrued, or maybe even working with a nurse case manager to oversee the delivery of care. This type of medical claim isn't just for health insurance. It applies to P&C insurance as well. If you were hurt in a car accident, medical bills may be eligible for medical claim. Lastly, there are liability claims. These are about being held responsible for harming someone else, and usually involve a lawsuit or threat of one. For example, the car accident may have involved another driver that is suing you for damages or pain and suffering after you hit them with your car. This could require working with mediators to try to negotiate a settlement outside of court, or potentially even defense attorneys to represent you in court. For life insurance, adjusting involves getting proof that the insured person died, like seeing their death certificate, verifying that the cause of their death is covered, and ensuring the right beneficiaries are paid according to the terms of the policy. Adjusting also includes looking at the policy to determine what's covered and what isn't. For example, if your house floods and you don't have a flood policy, chances are your homeowner's policy won't cover it, and your claim will be denied. In our car accident, the damages may be covered under the typical auto policy, but there will likely be some deductible amount that the policy owner will be responsible for. Repairs might be $10,000, and the insured might have a $1,000 deductible. So the insurer pays the $9,000 difference left after the insured pays their $1,000 deductible. So overall, adjusting is about how to get this person whole within the bounds of the policy. The last step of the process is settlement, and this is effectively the final handshake at the end of the claim. You both agree that the matter is resolved. That's settlement.